Did Chris broke the car?
He hella broke the fucking car.
He just broke the car? What up, G?
What's up, dude?
You got an extra bumper in the back?
You like the K coupe, dog? Yeah, he gave me a bumper, he gave me the side skirt that's missing over there. Look at this, look at this. Look at this.
What? Keep the power? Are you gonna keep that?
I think so. I think we have to, look.
Oh!
It works.
It works. Works, bruh. What's it got, a Z6? The Z6?
I don't know what it's got, it's VTEC though, right? Oh no, it's not VTEC. Z1, K15 Z1, so the baby motor, the no power motor.
No power. Did they egg that thing? What? Is that jizz or is that what's? Okay. I bet you get 40 miles a gallon, brother.
Dude, I figured $500, right?
Uh-huh.
I ended up getting it for 500. We saw the swap. I had some kid that wanted it for 500, so I think I'm offering it to him after we pull it out. See if he still wants it. Show him video of it running or whatever. But I got the car for free. Saw the swap for $500. I get the car for free, so what? You know. Okay, so I was looking for a shell for 500.
Right? Might as well.
I got a whole car for 500. I can't complain, dude. I really can't complain.
Like,
and it came with slipstrings, dude.
Right?
All the way around.
Yo, there you go.
Slips all the way around. You can't get. Don't hurt. Now let go of the clutch slowly. Don't give it gas.
Teach your son.
Slowly. See that? See how it moved? Turn it back on. Slowly let go of the clutch. When you feel it move, keep your foot right there. Don't move it. Feel it?
Yeah, see how it's creeping? Perfect. Ready?
We ready. Clutch assembly. We're gonna throw on this flywheel, some red Loctite. We don't have any accidents. This is the comp clutch that you guys might remember. Got a replacement.
Oh, they went kablooey. Hold on. Show them.
We got a replacement disc for it that's nice and shiny.
See, maybe that was the old. Did it has a comp? See how it's etched in with comp? Is
yeah,
that
it's
one?
different. This is the old one.
See, maybe it's just the OG batch. What a lazy ass marking.
Yeah, it is.
Right? Why wouldn't they like?
The other one's like perfect, like just straight. You know, like it looks.
You gotta somewhere, please.
You gotta have someone to hold it, back up the force.
Sure.
All right. So a lot of you are gonna say, don't use the impact gun on a flywheel, but we're taking it past OEM specs. So we want to make sure this thing doesn't fly off or whatever.
Alright.
Good?
Almost done here.
320.
We got a new dyno now, so I don't know. Your whole motor?
I don't know if you guys know, but that back bolt that he's tightening right now, if you're gonna pull the tranny out and you're thinking about putting it back together and you don't need to remove the starter, you don't have to take it off. You only have to take off the front bolt. The back bolt can stay in there. The front bolt's the only one that hits the transmission. That rear pain in the butt bolt that he's doing right now literally can stay there for the eternity of the car, of the motor, until you have to replace the starter. Alright, dude, are we going in?
I think we're going in.
Think we're going in? We're going in.
Going in.
Everything is done as far as what we need to do with the car, right?
Good?
We'll play with the go down here.
Back out on the scrapyard here to get the right size hose, hopefully. Find out here. I'm gonna go with this one. The best cutters this side of the Rio Grande. OJ.
Look at this shit, look at this shit. No, OJ got fucking back over.
Right,
And
but
then he
the only
admitted
reason
to it
why he
later.
was in the situation was because the glove fit, bro. Now, the glove didn't fit.
I don't know, the glove fit.
No, it didn't. That's how he got off, right?
What?
OJ, he got off because the glove didn't fit, right? Yeah, bro.
It was one of the.
Yeah,
one
the
of
glove didn't fit.
You must have quit. That's what I said. Glove don't fit. You must have quit.
Hey, he was smart as hell when he got them cheaper gloves for $4.99 instead of the $10.99 because it was a little bit smaller. I had a pog with his face on it. You know that? Yeah, bro. And he was behind bars. It was so funny, dude. I swear I had the pod, the OJ pod. We should look it up and see what I'm talking about. You guys don't have the vision like I do right now. It's an OJ pod, bro.
Behind bars?
Behind the bars, he's like this. It's an OJ Simpson on the pod.
I think between the three of us, it typically takes us like what, 2 hours to put a motor back in? 2 hours to pull a motor out. Not even 2 hours.
I know what you mean, though.
Yeah.
It's the same way you guys are bred for soccer. That's why. Take a look at his calves, dude.
Well, because
Zoom in on them calves.
Zoom in on the calves.
you would think I'd play better.
Natural born soccer players. You don't have. He's like, stop.
Whatever you do, Junior, you start working on cars, don't do it for a living, because then you're not going to like it as a hobby. You're going to be a mechanic at work that never works on their own car, but always works on everybody else's car.
We got a fresh case of Royal Purple. Man, this is good stuff.
Are we actually putting new oil in this thing?
What's that? No, we recycled this. We sent it to Royal Purple. They
And
gave us,
we're listening to what the cap said?
they're sending us.
This
they
is
sent
highly,
us-
this is weird.
No, they sent us this. This is a remand oil.
This
They
makes
put
me feel good
the,
inside.
put the ink in it. Come on, fit.
This shit looks small.
Put it on there.
Sure is.
Yes, I know.
That's the one, actually.
So we're tuning. We got to run 1000cc injectors on this beast. I was running RDX injectors were 410 cc's, and they're not going to run this car. So we're going to go ahead and put a new base map on it and then start her up. We're not too long. We don't have axles or we don't have coolant running through it, but we just want to see if it starts up.
And we kind of want to hear it.
We just kind of want to hear it for like a split second, see what happens. So
Now, the fuel line.
It's loose.
Nice catch.
Hey.
Didn't you tighten that? Didn't he give you the key for that?
what?
He gave you the wrench for the fuel line. Didn't he? Yeah.
Are you interrogating me?
Which one?
Are you interrogating
Which
me?
one?
Yeah, it's not even tight.
Whatever.
I don't even have to, bro.
No, you can change it?
They only used to have gasoline, flex fuel, or E85. Now they have ethanol and methanol.
No way.
Okay, let me set throttle.
Alright, first startup, here we go.
See if
Give
it
it a
does it.
shot. Get it, baby. Did it turn off because you turned it off? You hear that thing? That's so sick, dude. Dude, that's so, yeah, well, it's full exhaust. But that's so sick.
Bruh. 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 That's it. There you go. It's done.
Bro,
It sounds beast, doesn't it?
dude. So sick, bro.
Sounds like it's hammed out.
Yeah, well, it is, really.
That's so gangster, bro. How I just ran.
It works. It works.
What is
We
it?
didn't mess up.
Stock motor.
No, but
Still,
all the
though.
things we did, dude. The thing is, everything that we changed in the head, bro. Like,
So, yeah.
you know?
Well, so, will a K24 head work on a K20 bottom end?
It does.
It works.
We're gonna go.
It works.
We're gonna go racing and see what it does.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
That's what she's
Or
for.
stay on the dyno, or?
Maybe after we win.
Yeah.
We got a shootout to go to.
Yeah.
Um,
Time.
Do him first. Like, hey, we're doing a test drive.
Sounds so ridiculous.
I know, right? Good test drive. All right, let's get going.
Thought I missed the gear. A little sketchy. I'm not used to it. Jesus Christ. That was pretty fucking, that was pretty cool.
That's pretty fast, man.
But trying to drive in second gear in the lower RPMs is kind of hard. Of course, we're on one low, so. But mid-range, it's pretty on point. I want one. I couldn't tell if the tires were spinning or if it was spinning the tires.
Try it again.
It's definitely spinning. Hey, he's into it like a turbo car. I want you to feel like
Oh,
right here.
weird.
It's insane.
Sorry. I'm not used to these transmissions. I feel like I'm gonna ruin it. I gotta be really easy with it. It's like it's so hard to be easy with it.
Oh, because it's a K transmission?
Yeah, I'm not used to it. Yeah, you should get me out of this thing before I break the transmission. I'm not used to it. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Oh, got it. A 5 second. I can't go into first. Yeah.
What'd you do, Chris?
Here, put it in like you're gonna put it in first. It doesn't fall in.
What the f did you do? What the f did you do?
I launched it in first. That's all I did.
You dropped the hammer?
I didn't drop the hammer. I fucking what is it? I fucking slipped the clutch.
It won't even come over.
Yeah, at least it broke now and not racing.
Did Chris broke the car?
He hella broke the car.
He just broke the car. We don't have first no more.
I don't even know how that's even possible.
Thanks a lot, Chris. Thanks a lot, bro.
So, okay.
Thanks a lot, Chris. Touching the car, breaking it. He just broke the car we just put together.
I just don't think that easy. Yeah, no, I heard you.
Yeah, the revving of the engine might have not been me shifting. It might have broke right when I went to go shift.
No, it's probably it's your fault.
That's what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure it's shredded first.
No, definitely shredded first. Chris.
Well, no, we're not definitely. We gotta take it apart.
Oh, it's shredded first.
Just put it on the lift and drain the fluid.
When? So you can see gear pieces?
Yeah.
Mother F. Well,
You have a month. At least it broke now.
you dick face.
We got plenty of
You
transmission
dick
parts.
face.
I told you to feel it, rev up.
Yeah.
Launch it.
Yeah, then he's like,
I didn't think about it. He did it.
yeah, we told you see how you're like, dude, yeah, just rev in it like on first, you'll feel it.
I did it, but I loaded it, asshole. You didn't see me?
No, I didn't load it.
Yeah, I know you didn't. I loaded it. I like did the whole shebang, asshole.
You can look at the video. You can see me do
Well,
the
I can
whole.
see you bend the pod.
Okay, serious problems?
Chris problems.
Problems, bro.
Forget that. How many transmissions have you broke? I only broke
Never a first.
one. I only broke.
7 transmission. I has never broken a first.
Alright.
700 horsepower.
broke-
Never broken a first.
I broke first.
24.5-inch slicks. Never broken a first.
Listen, I never broken a transmission. Period.
Well, here's your first one.
Yeah. Of course, I had to be a case series thing.
You just broke the transmission I just put back together.
Quit trying to get it into first. It's not fair.
Fuck you, Chris. Tell me what to do.
There you go.